Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. We're going to be getting into this huge box right here, which is the Fall Beachly subscription. If you're new, I'm Laura. I hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. And Beachly is a seasonal subscription that is all about what you would think, the beach, right? So it's supposed to be bringing all those beachy vibes straight to your home, especially for those of us that don't live anywhere near the beach. All right, so for this particular box, you can do add-ons, you can shop their site. Like, there is a lot you can do on this site aside from even just getting this subscription service. I'll give you a real quick rundown here. If you pay seasonally, it's $99 a box and you get about a $250 value based on your customizations for items in your box. You get member discounts, you can customize your box. If you do it annually, you would pay, and I'm doing it seasonally right now to give it a try, so this is only my second box, but you can pay annually and then it's only $84 a box. So that's $336 plus shipping. You get the member discounts, you can customize your box, and you get VIP customer service. Let's dig into my fall box and let's see what's inside. So inside my box is my fall subscription box and a couple extras that I got. I paid extra. So they're VIP items, I believe, that are deeply discounted, and we'll get right into that. And this is the 7-in-1 LED light therapy mask by Dermalactives. Hopefully I said that right. Dermalactives. And then I have this cute little topper that we're going to be talking about. All right, let's dig into the box first and let's do this. All right, so here's right on top, I have this little pamphlet here that's going to tell me about the fall 2025 box. It says, this season we're bringing you the perfect blend of laid-back luxury and effortless coastal style. Whether you're lounging under swaying palms, hosting a sunset soiree, or setting off a tropical getaway, your box is packed with hand-picked essentials designed to bring you sunshine in every day. All right, and there's more to it, but that's the gist of it. Okay, so these two items were add-ons. I wanted to make sure, so we'll go over those in just a minute. But let's first start with the selections that I got to choose from. So first up was this collection of items, and you get a whole bunch of them. You see that? And you can pick whichever one that you want to add into your box for fall. So guess which one I picked of all of these? I picked the sweater. I think anything with a palm tree on it brings me joy, feels very coastal. So I love this, and let's get this out of here. It is called the Palm Breeze sweater, and see if it tells me anything more about it. It doesn't. Palm Breeze sweater. I got it in a small. It's very soft. Love it with a green. This will be really pretty going into fall. I love that. What do you guys think? I think small was the smallest size that I could get, which means it'll probably just be oversized, which it seems oversized anyway. How cute is this? So it is a little, yeah, you can see it is a little bit long on me. It was a little bit oversized, but very, very cute. Check that out. Easy to pull up the sleeves, do a cute little front tuck. Yeah, I think this is going to be adorable. I like that. Next collection to choose from. This was at customization number 2. Lots of fun things here. Guess which one I picked? I picked the t-shirt. Aloha t-shirt, and it was, where's my stuff here, called the Guava Shop Hawaii, the Messy Aloha Pocket Tee. This one is in an extra small. How cute is that? So that's the Messy Aloha, right? Is that on adorable? And it's also on the back. That is so cute. Again, I love the greens. It's so adorable. I think that would be really cute wearing it under jackets as the fall weather starts to come. Okay, so I do have a whole tank on underneath here. It's a more fitted tee, so if you want it to be loose, you might want to size up. I went with my normal size, but I Do have a tank top on underneath here, but I like this with the little aloha pockets. Very cute. The back of it. Super cute. Yeah, I like that. All right, so far we're doing well with my choices. Next group of choices. So I also picked from that collection the Barefoot Scientist Moisture and Renew socks. I love these. If you have not tried these socks, they are amazing. They are the Sleep On It Overnight Moisture Gel Socks, and I've purchased these before from Amazon. They have the aloe on the inside, so all those cracked heels and the rough feet, it takes care of all that. You sleep in them. They're amazing, amazing, amazing. Try them. If you haven't tried them, you need to try them. They make your feet so soft, so soft. Get rid of all that crackly stuff that happens. Okay, what else did I pick? Let's see what this is. Oh, this is the Shoreline Shell Serving Spoons, which was another choice item. Check these out. They're so cute. They're so cute. Look at those. I love them. Those are so pretty. Yep, you can of course detach them, which you'll need to. Keeping them together so I don't lose them for right now, but they're adorable. I like these. Yeah, they're called the Shoreline Shell Serving Spoons, set of 2. Okay. What else have I got? A reusable plant towel. So this is a tree-free 100% rayon from bamboo. One sheet equals one roll of traditional one sheet equals one roll of traditional paper towels. One roll equals 30 rolls of traditional paper towels and absorbs 7 times in its weight. So this will replace paper towels, and look how pretty they are with the palm leaves on them. Aren't those adorable? I love that. Okay, so thinking of the earth. And then the last item I have that was part of the choice items is the Mineral Fusion Hydro Shine Lip Gloss in the color Bermuda. By Mineral Fusion. You see that? So a nudie color. That's cute. Cute. It's cute. The color is nice. Might be a better description. The color is nice. I love a great nude. See that? Feels nice on. Okay, so that was all of my choice items in the original, in the fall box, right? And then that you can shop and do all kinds of add-ons as well. And I decided I was looking to see what else was in this little book. It actually shows here, Guava Shop Hawaii. So it tells you all about this tea and the Guava Shop. It's inspired by the guava fruit, a tropical staple loved for its vibrant color and sweet, tangy flavor, just like the brand's collections known for creating unique, high-quality apparel that reflects the beauty and energy of the Hawaiian Islands. So Guava Shop Hawaii has become a go-to for those who want to infuse their wardrobe with a touch of the tropics. So lots more probably in that shop that you can check out. And then it says how the locals do fall. That's fun. It says fall may be here, but beach days are not. And then just a reminder that if you use my link, you're going to get $25 off your first box. Okay, let's do my extra items here. So first up is the Dermalective 7-in-1 LED Therapy Mask. I believe the price for this was like around $150, and I got it for $69.99. I do know it's deeply discounted. I might have the original price wrong, but I knew it was like worth me giving it a try. So if you've been thinking about all that red light therapy, you keep seeing probably the Omnilux and all of those, which are incredibly expensive. and you would like to give that a try, I know whenever I go to my spa appointments, so I get the facials as often as I can. I just had one actually recently. I have her do the full light therapy on my face, so I decided to try to get one on my own and see if that doesn't do any good to help with all of the amazing aging process, right, that is happening whether you like it or not. So that's why I tried that one. And then the last item is the L Space Capri jacket. It's an add-on. It's $99.99. Their regular price is $250. I thought this was so unique and pretty that I was going to give it a try. And it's from a company in California. And look how adorable this is as I drop all my stuff everywhere. So it has this this is actual embroidery on the pocket. I love this. Little waves. That is so cute, right? And then check out the back. Palms. Oh, it's so, so pretty. A nice way to take summer with you into the fall. Let me try this on for you. All right, so check out how adorable this is. I love that it's a little cropped. I love the back. It's just as pretty going as it is coming. And I think very easy to pair with your favorite jeans or a cute little skirt and tank as you head into fall. So I'm glad I was able to grab it. What do you guys think of this? So I'm really, really enjoying this box. I thought the last one, I was a little on the fence. I'm like, I don't know. I thought the pieces weren't what I was quite expecting. And I believe that was because I had gotten it at the end of summer, so the beginning of summer. So I just tried it, I think, a month or two ago. So they probably already had gotten rid of a lot of their customization pieces, right, and only had a stock amount of pieces left to create my box. So I think that's why it didn't feel quite as good. This one I thought was really, really good. I thought the discounts were really great on the pieces. They feel like quality items. So I'm looking forward to kind of giving this one a try. Can't wait to hear what you think, though. And of course, I'll share my link down below, as I said, so you can get money towards your first box. Let me know what your favorite item was. And thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on going. Use my links. That's the only thing that allows me to keep on creating content. I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.